Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and safe. So this is me Dua Azim, a teacher from the Educators Forum class, and today our class is of English. And before we will start our class with the dua, kindly raise your hand for the dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Okay, so in English, today we are going to learn literature. This is your book, reading circle for class 4. Okay, open your books, page number 9. Today we will read the first chapter, The Legend of Rapunzel. Okay, so take out page number 9. Our first chapter is A Legend of Rapunzel. Write down date at the top of the page. VL, video, lecture. Okay, A Legend of Rapunzel. What does legend mean? Underline the word legend. Write down one above it and write the meaning on any of a page. A traditional story as historical but not authenticated. So a legend means a traditional story as historical but not authenticated. Now Rapunzel. Rapunzel is a name. Now come to page. Okay, before reading it further, come to page number 10. There is a picture. First we will do the picture title explanation. In this picture there is a man who is holding a glass. On the other side there is also a strange man. There are small trees, there are some bushes, there are mountains, there is a hill. Okay, what you have seen in this picture you have to write it in your own words in your copy. Okay, for doing title explanation, take out your copies. First, maintain the term pointer of the first term. On the second page, make the title page of the chapter A Legend of Rapunzel. And come to the third page. On the third page, you have to draw second margin and you have to draw the header. Draw second margin line, draw the header, write down date at the left side, write down VL at the right side, and chapter number 1 at the top of the line. Now write down title page explanation in the header and you have to do the title page explanation by yourself. Okay, after title page explanation we will go for reading. Once upon a time a glacier was traveling across the mountain. What does glacier mean? Underline the word glacier, write the number 2 on it. Glacier means a person who cuts and fits glass into doors and windows. A person who cuts and fits glass into doors and windows. The mountain path was narrow, dusty and covered in a small sharp stone. How was the mountain path? The mountain path was narrow, dusty and covered in small sharp stones. To the sides of the path were prickly shrubs and boulders. What does shrubs mean? Shrubs mean small woody plants. Underline the word shrubs, write down number 3 on it. Shrubs mean small woody plants or bushes. Prickly shrubs and boulders. Underline the word boulders. Write down number 4 on it. Boulders mean large rock. A large rock, typically one that had been worn smooth by erosion. In the sky above, the sun shone brightly, which made the glacier's load feel heavier. Okay, so why the glacier feel load and heavier? Because the sun shone brightly, which made the glacier load feel heavier. Okay, so there was a glacier who was traveling across the mountain. Who was a glacier? A person who cuts and fits glass into doors and windows. The mountain path was narrow, dusty and covered in small sharp stone. How was the mountain path? Narrow, dusty and covered in sharp stone. To the side of the path were prickly shrubs and boulders. What does shrubs mean? Shrubs mean a small woody plants or bushes. What does boulder mean? Boulder means large rock. Why does the glacier feel heavier? Because the sun shone brightly, which made the glacier's load feel heavier. Now the second paragraph. The glacier was a good man who worked hard. The glacier is a good man who worked hard. He was feeling very tired from carrying the heavy loads of glass. As I told you, who was a glacier? A glacier is a person who fits and cuts glass into doors and windows. So he was feeling very tired from carrying the heavy loads of glass. So he began to look about for a place where he could rest. So he was tired, so he was finding a place for where he could rest. Okay, so Rapunzel, a mountain sprite. What does sprite mean? Sprite, underline the word sprite. Sprite means fairy. So Rapunzel is a mountain fairy, had been watching the glacier for some time. As soon as he saw that the glacier was looking for a place to stop, he skipped ahead around the bend in the path and changed himself into a little mound. What does mound means? Mound means a small hill. So Rapunzel is a mountain fairy who was looking the glacier, who was finding a place to rest because he was so tired. So as soon as he saw that glacier was looking for a place, the mountain fairy disguised himself into a little mound. So disguise means to change himself so that the other person couldn't recognize him. Okay, so the Rapunzel changed himself into a small mound covered with soft grass that looked like a comfortable place. Comfortable means convenient, comfortable place to rest. When the glacier discovered the mound, what does discover mean? Discover means find. When the glacier discovered the mound in his way, he smiled and feeling well pleased. Well pleased means feeling happy. He put down the glass and sat himself down. He put down the glass and sat himself down means he lay down after seeing a comfortable bush. He pleased and he sat down. And okay, so we have read the 3 paragraphs. What we have learned in these 3 paragraphs, that there is a glacier who was traveling down the hill, and the hill was narrow, dusty, and covered with small stones, and the glacier was feeling tired because he was carrying loads of glass, and as the sun shone brightly. So there is a Rapunzel, a mountain sprite means a mountain fairy who was watching him doing this, and so for this he disguised himself into a mound covered with the bushes, so that the glacier take rest there. And okay, so we have read the 3 paragraphs. Now come to page number 15. Now in exercise A, read the first question. Why was the glacier feeling tired? Why was the glacier feeling tired? He was feeling tired because the sun shone brightly and he was carrying loads of glass, so he was feeling heavier. Now the second question, what did Rapunzel disguise himself as first? What did Rapunzel disguise himself as first? He disguised himself into a small mound covered with small bushes. Okay, so now I am going to show you how you have to do the work in your copy. Similarly, maintain the page, draw a second margin, draw a header, write down date on the left of the page, VL means video lesson on the right of the page, chapter number 1, and in the header you have to write exercise A, question answers. Now copy the first question from the book. Why was the glacier feeling tired? Underline the question with a color pencil and write down answer. The glacier was feeling tired because the sun shone brightly and he was carrying loads of glass and the loads feel heavier. Now the second question, copy the second question. What did Rapunzel disguise himself as first? He disguised himself as a mound covered with small bushes. You have to do it by yourself. Underline the questions and with the color. Okay, so now note down your homework. You have to make a term pointer first and then the title page of the chapter. Then you have to do the title, picture, explanation of the picture, and you have to do the question number 1 and 2 of exercise A in your copy. Now that's all for today, and I hope you understood the lecture. We will continue the question answer in our Zoom class or physical class. Allah Hafiz.